Okay, last time I have encountered a problem that when user sent a message and then pressed enter over TCP channel, I got two separate packets, and one was a message without a new line and another was a new line. And let me just show it. It actually was here. So uh, and now it should be visible that I get 2 bytes. Yes, here is a message and here is a new line. And the problem is that I only have to send messages to brain when it's actual complete lines. So I need a kind of line buffering, and I don't want to implement it again. Instead, I actually have it implemented in channels package, and I can try doing this. That's actually kind of a hack, a workaround, and I'll show why it isn't going to actually work. So now instead, this is a first read and this is a second read, and this is clearly a bug in channels, because a poller should not send an empty data for a channel when the channel is not closed. The channel has a line buffering, so poller should only send lines or empty data when the channel is actually closed. So that's a bug, and I should fix it. And while I'm fixing it, while I'm working on poller, I will actually implement an option for line buffering in poller. Lines, and this reversing it as it was. So let's open the poller project, this one, and that's the test. And here I don't need this, and write a new test. And I'll start with this. Now I will do the same thing I just did. So now I will send some data. And here I'm expecting to get nothing. and let's test it. And this will fail. No, why didn't it fail? Right, it didn't fail because it is actually empty. Oh no, that's wrong. This should be. It should return an empty list. And this will fail. Yes, of course, because it returns an empty data for that channel. Now, that's something I can fix, which is to never return empty data. That's just that easy. Does it work? Yep, it works. And if I send something like this and again poll, I should get correct. Nope, that's wrong. Oh, that's right. That should be a tuple. Works now. Great. And that's one fix. That's one fix, and I shouldn't commit this. But this doesn't actually fix everything. There is one more problem, and here is the problem. I'll change this test name. No. And here I'll send several lines at once. And I should get this. And right now this should work. Yep. But now this will fail, of course. And the problem is there is no additional event on that file descriptor, so Polar does not even try to read any more data, even though there is some data in that channel. And there isn't easy fix for this. There is instead a workaround which I think is okay, and I want it to be like this. So, a single poll event will return all lines for a line-based channel. And this will fail. Of course, it only returns one line. But there are two lines, and I can actually fix this. So, let's do it this way. I'll make it only for line-based channels. isn't the most clear way to do this, but I guess it should be okay. And I know that the channel is non-blocking, so this allows me to read until there isn't anything to read anymore. Yes. Nope, that's wrong. It didn't work. Why didn't it work? It's some different test. I had a test channel, I had line there, and it actually failed. It returned an empty list. Why? Oh, right. That's why. And oh, that's just a little mistake. Yes. Good to see it. So now it works. And now it works. And now that's another commit, of course. That's another commit, but it also changed. Well, my previous commit was to fix an error I had, and now I actually changed the behavior, so I should document this. And in fact, I actually did this. That was a fix, and that was a change. And change was and I will also update the readme. This. Okay, now and now I will commit this change. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Like this. Oh, I don't actually like this condition, and I might instead just return multiple results for any channel, and any channel will be eventually exhausted, but okay, for now it will just be like this. Maybe there is another idea later how to change this. Okay, and now this works, but since I'm already changing channels package and I wanted a line based channels in my server, I want a poller to create line channels for accepted clients. So I want to be able to handle this properly, configure this some way, and let's add another test, and I think that will be a totally separate test class. And well, it should be a really simple test. In fact, now that I know that line channels are handled properly, I need only one test here, I think. I'll start with creation. And of course this will fail because it's an unexpected keyword, and I want it to be keyword parameter, so let it be like this, and now it works. It does nothing, but at least it works. And I want this. Yep, and this, and this, and now here's a test. I think it's written this way. Will it work? No. Of course. Yeah. So, this is how I want this to work, and it's again easy to fix, and just like this. Well, okay. That's the simplest fix, and actually it works, but I don't want it to look like this. because I want the default buffering is actually bytes, and this I think it's like this. Will it what that's something strange. How can it be both instance and not instance? Let's have both tests. Okay, only one of them fails. Test line folder fails, but oh, right. Now I'll have two fails. It was because I had the same name for two tests. Silly me. Okay. Now it actually fails because I only want this only when buffering is lines. Line. And oh, right. Yep, now it works. And this is everything I need from the updated channels. So I'm updating README, and first I should describe its constructor. And that's it for README update and changelog. That's it. And commit now. And that's it. And next I will check if this passes all the tests on Travis, and I will actually update the channels version to 0.2.0 and publish it to PyPy, and then next time I will just use it in my PA core project, and I'll have access to line-based channels in Polar, and that's great. That's it.